I do what I please, always with ease, especially when I've been drinking. We all know this. Sitting home, regretting. I'm screaming out the lines before. I'm always 2 steps forward, but 1 step backward. I'm 2 steps forward, but 1 step backwards.
She said pleasure and pain were the perfect playmates. And I knew that she was right because nightly fights had become our routine. Shit was mean and getting meaner. From the moment that I'd seen her, really seen her, realizing things between her and me were so much more than they had seemed, so much more than we had deemed them to be. And now, knowing how far we've come, that we could never return to where it was we had begun, and sometimes I still wanted to, but she was daughter to the sun, guardian of the stars, heartborn of the flame, and she showed me that I could be the same, taking me on adventures of deep exploration. She knew all my favorite flavors, so we spoke in sweet sensation, minds as open as the sky, and her looks were just as breezy. Designed solely to tease me, I fell hard. She made it easy, and she could please me. Please believe me, like no other. So we called each other playmates, still too scared to utter lover, lover. But I loved her. I love her, even when it caused us tension, caught up in social convention, mixing up our soul intentions, and too many times to mention we got lost in that pretension. So our efforts to conform sent us in different directions, and that was real. And it was hard, like the lessons, like the scars, like the blessings and the blame. And since she's still in my life today, I won't reveal to you her name. But in the context of our game, she was pleasure, I was pain.
But it feels so right under the light of the moon.
Thank you.